Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup objects in Google Vids scenes. So you're working on a Google Vids project, you've got a scene open, and there's maybe a lot of different elements that are really supposed to go together, but maybe you added them individually. One of the things you can do is group those elements together. So if I click on one and then I hold the control button, I can click on another one and now notice that both of them are selected. Once I've got all the elements selected, if you want to add more, you can just keep your finger on the control button and just click to add more elements to the group. But once you have your group identified, go to Arrange, and then you can just group them. And now what will happen is Google Vids will consider those two objects as sort of the same thing. All right, so now if I try to click on it, notice it does select both. If I try to change the size of it, it changes the size of both because Google Vids is considering those two elements as really one element consisting of two things. If for some reason I don't like the way it's grouped, I can select it and notice that they're both selected. I can go to Arrange and then I can decide to ungroup it. And then when I select it, it will only select the one that I click on and not both. So this is a really good way to take elements that maybe you want to style the same way and group them together. And that may make it a lot faster to apply those different styles and formatting to a bunch of different elements that are supposed to be consistent on the scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.